Animal Kingdom, Part 2 features. Part 2 means chordata, from chordata onwards. Animal Kingdom, Part 2. Characteristic features of chordata. All chordates are vertebrates except protochordates. All chordates are vertebrates except protochordates. All vertebrates are chordates except none, no exception. All vertebrates are chordates only. Anadromous migration from marine water to fresh water. Anadromous migration, marine to fresh water. Petromyzon, lamprey we call, cyclostomata. Anadromous migration, marine to fresh water. Petromyzon, lamprey belongs to class cyclostomata. Air bladder is absent. Chondrichthyes, air bladder is absent in Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes. Air bladder is absent. Air bladder is present. Osteichthyes, bony fishes. Air bladder is present in osteichthyes, bony fishes. Air sacs connected to lungs in aves. 9 air sacs are connected to lungs in aves. Central nervous system is dorsal, hollow, single, and non-ganglionated in chordates. Central nervous system is dorsal, hollow, single, and non-ganglionated in chordates. Central nervous system is ventral, solid, double, and ganglionated in non-chordates. In non-chordates, if present, central nervous system, ventral, solid, double, and ganglionated. Cold-blooded animals, animals whose body temperature changes according to atmospheric temperature. We call animal cold-blooded animal. Animal kingdom up to reptilia, cold-blooded animal. Closed type of circulatory system. Cephalochordata to mammalia having closed type of circulatory system. Cloaca is present. Amphibia, reptilia, aves, and prototherian mammals are having this cloaca. Crop and gizzard, aves. Crop and gizzard, aves. Cycloid, ctenoid, gonoid, cosmoid scales. Osteichthyes, bony fishes. Cycloid, ctenoid, gonoid, and cosmoid scales are present in osteichthyes. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Cyclostomata. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous in cyclostomata. Creeping or crawling mode of locomotion, reptilia. Creeping or crawling mode of locomotion, reptilia. Common chamber for gut, urinary bladder, and genital ducts, cloaca. Common chamber for gut, urinary bladder, and genital ducts, cloaca. Development in fishes, direct development. Fishes development, direct development without larva. Ectoparasite on some fishes. Petromyzon, lamprey. Ectoparasite on some fishes. Petromyzon, commonly called lamprey, belongs to class cyclostomata. Electric organs, torpedo. Dorsal muscles are modified as electric organs in torpedo. Electric organ. Eyelids in amphibia, present. Eyelids in amphibia, present. External ear and pinna are present. Mammalia, external ear and pinna are present in mammalia. External ear openings are absent, but tympanum represent the ear. Amphibia and reptilia. External ear openings are absent. Tympanum represent the ear. Amphibia and reptilia. Four-chambered heart. Crocodile, aves, and mammal. Four-chambered heart. Crocodile, aves, and mammal. Fishes with external fertilization. Osteichthyes. Fishes, external fertilization seen in osteichthyes, bony fishes. Feathers for flight. Quill feather is for flight in aves. Feathers for flight, quill feather in aves. Flightless bird, ostrich. Ostrich is a flightless bird. Forelimbs are modified into wings, aves, birds. 4 pairs of gills, osteichthyes, bony fishes, 4 pairs of gills. Fish-like but without paired fins and divide of scale, cyclostomata. Fish-like but without paired fins and divide of scale, cyclostomata. Found in polar ice cap, desert, mountain, forest, and grassland caves, mammalia. Gill slits are absent, non-chordates. Gill slits are covered by operculum, osteichthyes. Gill slits are separate without operculum, chondrichthyes. Gills for respiration along with lungs and skin. Amphibia. Gill slits are absent in non-chordate. Gill slits are covered by operculum. Osteichthyes. Gill slits are separate without operculum. Gill slits are separate and they are without operculum. Chondrichthyes. Gills for respiration. And in amphibia along with lungs and skin. Gnathostomian, which notochord persistent throughout the life. Chondrichthyes. Gnathostomian, a jawed vertebrate with notochord persistent throughout the life. Chondrichthyes. Heart is ventral, chordate. Heart is dorsal, non-chordate. Heart is ventral, muscular with 2, 3 or 4 chambered vertebrates. Heart is ventral, muscular with 2, 3 or 4 chambered vertebrates. Heart is 2 chambered, fishes. Heart is 2 chambered, pisces. Heart is 3 chambered, amphibia and reptilia except crocodile. Heart is 4 chambered, crocodile, aves and mammals. Story of heart. Heart is ventral. Heart is ventral, chordate. Heart is dorsal, non-chordate. Heart is ventral, muscular with 2, 3 or 4 chambered vertebrates. Invertebrates, heart is 2 chambered, pisces. Heart is 3 chambered, amphibia, reptilia except crocodile. Heart is 4 chambered, crocodile, aves and mammalia. Homeo thermic are warm-blooded, whose body temperature does not change according to the atmospheric temperature. Whose body temperature is constant. Homeothermic or warm-blooded. Aves and mammalia are homeothermic. Head and trunk body division. Amphibia. Hind limbs have scales. Aves. Hind limbs have scales. Aves. Limbs for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming and flying. Mammalia. Limbs for walking, swimming and clasping the tree branches. Aves. Mouth is located on ventral side. Chondrichthyes. Mouth is terminal. Osteichthyes. Mouth is on ventral side. Chondrichthyes. Mouth terminal. Osteichthyes. Marine and freshwater animal with streamlined body. Osteichthyes. Marine animals with streamlined body. Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes exclusively marine. Marine and freshwater. Osteichthyes. All fishes are with streamlined body. Mammal with cloaca and oviparous condition. Ornithorhynchus, prototherian mammal it is. Mammal with cloaca and oviparous condition. Mammary glands, mammalia. Notochord is present, chordates. Notochord during embryonic period only, vertebrates. Notochord is present only in larval tail, urochordata. Notochord is absent, non-chordate. Notochord extends from head to tail, cephalochordate. Notochord is replaced by cartilaginous vertebral column. Chondrichthyes. Notochord is replaced by bony vertebral column. Osteichthyes. So, notochord story. Notochord absent, chordates. Notochord present, chordates. Hence, they call chordata. Notochord during embryonic period only. Vertebrates, because they are replaced by vertebral column. Notochord is present only in larval tail. Urochordata. Notochord is absent, non-chordate. Notochord extends from head to tail. Cephalochordata. Notochord is replaced by cartilaginous vertebral column. Chondrichthyes. Notochord is replaced by bony vertebral column. Osteichthyes. Open type of circulatory system. Non-chordates mostly. Oviparous fishes. Osteichthyes. Organs for osmoregulation and excretion. Kidney. Most post-anal tail is present, chordates. Post-anal tail is absent, non-chordates. Protochordates, urochordata and cephalochordata is called protochordate. They are called as protochordate. Pharynx perforated by gill slits, chordates. All chordates are having pharynx perforated by gill slits. Pulmonary respiration, chordates mostly. Poisonous sting. Trigon having poisonous sting. Predaceous fishes with powerful jaws. Chondrichthyes. Predaceous fishes with powerful jaws. Chondrichthyes. Poikilothermic animals are cold-blooded. Animal kingdom up to reptilia. Pelvic fin bear claspers. Chondrichthyes. Pelvic fin bear clasper. Chondrichthyes. Pneumatic bones, aves. Air-filled bones, aves. Placoid scales, chondrichthyes. Placoid scale, chondrichthyes. Respiration in amphibian. Bronchial, gill respiration. Pulmonary, lung respiration. Cutaneous, skin respiration. Reptilians without limbs, snakes. Reptilian without limbs, snakes. Skin of amphibian, moist and useful for cutaneous respiration. Sucking and circular mouth without jaws, cyclostomata. Sucking and circular mouth without jaws, cyclostomata. Cyclo, circular, stoma, mouth. Skin with hair, mammalia. Skin with hair, mammalia. Skin is cornified with epidermal scales or scutes, reptilia. Skin is dry without glands except oil glands at the base of tail, aves. Shed their scales as skin cast, molting, snakes and lizards. Skin story, skin with hair, mammalia. Skin is cornified with epidermal scales or scutes, reptilia. Skin is dry and without glands except oil glands at the base of tail, aves. Shed their scales as skin cast, molting. Teeth are modified placoid scale which are backwardly directed in chondrichthyes. Teeth are modified placoid scale which are backwardly directed. Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fish. Tympanum is present. Amphibia to mammalia. 2 pairs of limbs, tetrapod, amphibia to mammalia. Unisexual external fertilization, oviparous condition with indirect development, amphibia. Unisexual external fertilization, oviparous condition with indirect development, amphibia. Uropygial glands, preen glands, characteristic feature of aves. Uropygial gland or preen glands, aves. Viviparous fishes with internal fertilization and direct development, chondrichthyes. Viviparous fishes with internal fertilization and direct development, chondrichthyes. Unisexual internal fertilization, viviparous and direct development, mammalia. Unisexual internal fertilization, viviparous and direct development, mammalia. Unisexual internal fertilization, oviparous and direct development, reptilia and aves. Unisexual internal fertilization, oviparous, direct development, reptilia, aves. Unisexual external fertilization, oviparous and direct development, Chondrichthyes, bony fishes. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits, cyclostomata. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits, cyclostomata. Okay, so these are the characteristic features of Animal Kingdom Part 2. Animal Kingdom Part 2 examples are also available. Please go through the playlist. Thank you.